Thank you for joining me today. I'm Dr. Steve Grinstead, and I am very excited to announce a very special one-day experiential workshop in Portland, Oregon on May 11th. I am partnering with More Than Lupus. This is a really wonderful nonprofit organization whose main goal is to support recent people that have been diagnosed with lupus and even people that have been living with lupus for decades. As many of you may know, lupus is a very misunderstood disease by friends, family, and even the healthcare community. I am very excited to offer my Freedom from Suffering Live workshop for people. And it's going to be very dynamic, it's experiential, and the best part is if you have lupus, registration is free. And I would encourage you to really take advantage and sign up really quick because space will be limited. It's going to be a day-long event from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. with lunch included. And during this workshop, you're going to get an amazing list of tools that you can immediately implement. Some of them you will be developing and actually practicing during the experiential event. One of the biggest parts is how to make peace with your pain and to move out of suffering. You know, pain's inevitable, suffering is optional. And one of the things my wife and co-author of Freedom from Suffering and Journey of Hope, her tagline for us was freedom from suffering. It's your right and it's also your responsibility. So if you want to be responsible and learn how to stop suffering now, please sign up for this event. What you'll get to learn the difference between pain and suffering. You'll get to learn, most importantly, how to develop a relaxation response stress management toolbox, because stress is a big part of pain management. Because as stress levels go up, pain levels go up. You will also learn how to more accurately verbalize what your pain feels like. I hate the 1 to 10 analog pain scale, so I've developed a verbal scale. And during this workshop, you'll get an opportunity to look at my words and then create your own for each of the 10 levels of pain. There's other experiential workshops. You'll develop your own personalized stress thermometer during this workshop. You will learn the importance of healing the whole person, biologically, psychologically, socially, and spiritually. More importantly, you'll learn how to make friends with your pain, to call a ceasefire, to jump out of the chronic pain trance, and you'll do this by learning some very hands-on tools during this workshop. You'll also learn how to do a daily empowerment pain journaling assignment, which helps you learn from your pain and make peace with your pain and make pain your best friend. It's going to be very exciting, and I can't tell you how much I'm looking forward to it. And if you'll look at the information under this video, you'll get a full description of the workshop and some of the highlights that you'll get by attending. You can also learn more about me. I have a short bio on there that'll tell you a little bit about my background. But basically, I've been working with people with chronic pain and coexisting problems, including psychological problems like depression, anxiety, trauma, medication misuse, abuse, and even addiction since 1984. And I want to support you in making peace with your pain and stop the suffering. So please join me, and it's going to be a very exciting day. I have a number of volunteer coaches who are going to help me make this a very powerful experience for you. So until then, onward and upward. And if you know anyone with lupus, please share this information with them. This can be a life changer, I promise.